Welcome back, viewers. I know I haven't made a video in a while, and for those that are just new arriving, what I've been doing lately is showing viewers or people that are interested in modifying Grand Theft Auto San Andreas for iOS on how to modify certain files that are able to be modified without corrupting the game, causing crashes or whatever, to have more of a fun playing around with the game and being able to modify certain files. Now, if this is your first time viewing my channel, please check out the other videos that I have on San Andreas. That way you can kind of understand better of what I've been doing lately to help everyone out on their Jailbroken devices. It's basically you have to have iFile, you have to have San Andreas, and you have to have a jailbroken device, of course, to have iFile. So today I'm going to show you a real simple, easy, not really a mod, not really a hack. This is basically a security blanket. So if you make a mistake and you're playing your Grand Theft Auto and you're in there tinkering with the files and you make the mistake of corrupting a file and you can't get it to stop crashing and you have to delete the app and you lose all your progress. So what I'm going to show you today is how to actually save your save game data. So to do so, we're going to go in your Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, and then we're going to go in your documents. And then you see right here where I have GTA San Andreas saves.zip. Now I actually created that file. So what you're going to have to do is, if you see, if I go into the zip viewer, you'll see I have 5 files. So I need to save these 5 files. So to do so, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to save those. Then go to the clipboard, and then you're going to copy. And then you could paste, or you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you should be able to zip them by pressing the box. So once you created the name, and I always put what it is, that way you have a better memory of what this file is. So once you create that, you'll have this file right here that I have black highlighted. So now what you're going to do is you want to copy that link once it's zipped it, because it's going to have a zip like that, and then you're going to go done. So now what I did was, if I go home, I'll edit and I paste, and you'll see right here there's my save file. So now if I make a mistake and I have to delete my San Andreas app and I have to re-download it from the App Store, from whatever IPA that you've got it from or wherever you installed it, once you reinstall the game and it's done installing, you're going to want to make sure your iFile is closed, your game is closed. You want to make sure it's fully installed. So when you go back to iFile, you'll have your brand new file of Grand Theft Auto put in, and you want to go back to Documents, and then whatever's in here you just want to delete, and you want to press Unarchiver. Finish with the result 0, so everything's okay, and then it'll have installed all these files, and then you'll be good from there. You'll have had no issues of losing any progress within the game, and you'll be able to just close iFile, and then when you have your brand new installed game, it'll give you the option to resume instead of actually creating a brand new game. So this is a pretty good security measure for if you have any issues with the files that you're modding, and if you overdid it or you accidentally deleted a file. And this is why I always say, make sure there's a duplicate. If you don't have a duplicate, you'll have to take this route, and this is a good safety measure to make sure you have your progress. Now, you're going to lose all the files you modded, but would you rather lose just everything? So that's where I am doing this video today, of where when I resume, it'll bring back to the same game. Now I know I didn't do this step-by-step tutorial, of actually uninstalling the game, reinstalling the game, showing you how to do the files, but everything I showed you was step by step, cut and dry, and it basically will put you back to your last save state and let you continue on the game where you were. So that way you haven't lost anything. So now you see I'm at my last save point. And of course it crashed because I'm low on RAM. And we'll open it up again just to show you that it wasn't a crash because something was messed up. Now, for some reason, Grand Theft Auto is a very huge RAM hog for especially like the iPad 2. And it's going to crash a lot. But right now I'm using the display recorder to show you guys how to make this video. So it's going to crash, and you'll see this time around that it won't crash. It'll actually let me in the game and let me do what I gotta do to actually play it. So again, this is a way to save your file and get you through on everything that you need to do so you don't lose anything and you have a good progress save. So as the game's loading, you'll see it'll put me at my last save point, as you'll see if you ever have to get into this problem. Hopefully you never do, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. So now here we are back in the game, last save point, and I promise you it won't crash this time. I go up and down the block, around the block. It's just an issue I'm having with the iPad 2 doesn't have enough RAM, and display recorder is hogging up the RAM as well. So I'm eating up memory to show you this stuff, so I am going to experience crashes with the display recorder on. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And there goes my RAM again. But you guys basically get the idea. I'll fix this crashing issue, and this is just a video so you guys can see what's going on and how to save your file, and hopefully this information helped, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please like, subscribe, share, and I'll make sure the next video doesn't have any bugs like this with the crashing. But it's not going to crash when you do your save game. This was something I did, and you guys will be able to see on the future videos of other things that I'm doing that it won't crash as much. And you've even seen in my previous videos I don't get this much crashing. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe. If there's any questions, comments, please do so in the comment board below, and I'll do my best to answer back as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.